Uptown Swing level 1. I'm Peter.
And I'm Val.
Hello. So, we did this. We held hands in a circle. We did rock, step, bam, and rock, step, bam, just to get the step. And then we scooted this way. We did scoot, 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 and then we scooted this way. Oh my God. And so we put that in where the bam is, and that gives you your basic sort of footwork time. We went rock, step, scoop. Rock, step, scoop, or you can say rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Then we partnered up. The leaders start with their left foot, followers start right. And we did the flip-flop, exact same footwork. We did rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Then we did what we call the yo-yo. I hold hands and I move my follower in front of me. This time I go straight, so I end up rock stepping forward in the middle. Check it out. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. I go back, forward, and then forward, back. Val's doing very much the same thing as before. Then we did the Lindy circle. The circle we did first by just jumping 8 times. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And followers, if you can remember, really hang out like Val does and wait for leaders to scoop you up. And leaders, you got to pivot in the middle of this thing. So the mantra for us is step, sorry, we're going to step to it. So step, step, triple step, pivot, pivot, triple step. Just to really think, remind you of rotating there. Watch it one more time. Rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, triple step. You should end up right where you started. Last thing we did was the stop and shake. Rock, step, bang, hey, 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 You can shake it however you want. You stomp off out of it. We did this little sequence to end the whole thing. Practice this and come back with a little bit more experience and we'll rock it next time. We did flip-flop. Then we did the yo-yo. Then we did a Lindy circle. Then we did the stop and shake and hey, hey, hey.